This is a newer Hunter original. I don't know specifically from what year. Let me get up on this chair. Let's see. Should have looked at this before I started filming, but whatever. 2001. This is what it's from. And can have 5 blades or 4 blades. You can see the 4 blade setup would be closer in, which I think is ugly. So I prefer it with 5. I got the classic big schoolhouse globe on it. 100 watt equivalent 23 watt CFL bulb in there for good brightness. And you know, it works. Turn the light off and turn the fan on. Now I want you to see how powerful that is. So let me just stop this real quick. And you can see it jerk the motor when it when I hit the switch. It just twists it. That's why it's a good thing it's not on a hook. It's on a U-bracket. This is high. Very powerful. Don't want to have loose papers around. But that's not the fan, that's my mom's hairdryer. But don't want to have loose papers around with this bad boy on, that's for sure. This will be medium. The fan is fully oiled, by the way. There's low. Faster than the older original I put in the dining room, that's for sure. This sucker's got some serious oomph to it. Although low speed's nice and casual. High speed obviously is crazy fast. And then it is a reversible model. Now it's in updraft mode and I can still feel air movement in here. This room is 12 feet by 12 feet. It's the biggest bedroom in the house. We use it as the office. You know, the other bedrooms have 52-inch fans. This one should also. Actually, I should say this is the biggest bedroom. It's the biggest bedroom. It's not the master. The master bedroom's bigger. It's medium in reverse. And also, this was a room that had the 36-inch Four Seasons. So there that is. There are the blades. And the globe that I had on it. You know. Put that down. Put this up, because I wanted a 52-inch fan in here. I was going to put this in a formal living room originally, and then that 36-inch Four Seasons would have stayed in here. But my dad didn't want a ceiling fan in the living room. He's like that. What you gonna do? Well, what I did was I put it in here instead. There's low on reverse, and I can still feel air movement in here. It's a very powerful fan, very, very powerful. You can even see the curtains are puffed out. I don't know if they're just like that naturally. It's kind of weird if they are. It might have just been stuck on the cord, I don't know. I've misplaced my tripod at the moment, so please forgive the less than stable filming here. I'm holding the camera. I've misplaced the tripod, I need to find it. But that's okay. Fan's got a good long spin down time. It's got a full tube of oil in it. And actually I also oiled the one in the dining room today as well. Especially after seeing that video Brian posted on DT about what happens to originals when you don't oil them. I was like, oh shit, better get down on that. So I did. But anyway, there's that one. And it has stopped. So there you go.